Well, good afternoon, everybody. It is June 24th, 2020, a beautiful day in the city of Edina. This is Jim Hovland, your Edina mayor, and this is the Mayor's Minute. On a personal note, I'm excited. This day has come. I finally get to get a haircut over at Dick's Barbers at 6:10 tonight. So I'm on a strict time clock over there. They must be giving haircuts every 10 minutes or so, but I finally got in to get one. So I'm keen about that idea. We're going to talk a little bit today about the gradual reopening, and I think on a wonderful note, some of our park and rec programming that was canceled earlier in the year or postponed has now been reactivated. So, because we've been trying to be careful about everything that we're doing from a public health standpoint, we've been following the guidance from the CDC and the state of Minnesota during the COVID-19 pandemic. And of course, you all probably remember that earlier this spring, we announced that all of our park and rec programming was either going to be canceled or postponed through mid-August. But we've had some revised guidelines now for group gatherings that came out of some phase 3 executive orders through the state and through the governor's office. And that has allowed our park and rec staff to review their previously planned summer offerings and to reimagine them and to put some things in place that will really be beneficial for the kids in particular. So here's what we're going to be doing. We are now going to be offering fitness in the parks classes for adults, family, and youth. So fitness in the parks classes for everybody, adults, family, and youth. Then we've got kids create art classes, revolutionary sports, baseball, softball, and tennis, Skyhawks, flag football, cheerleading, multi-sport, soccer, and mini hawks sport camps, soccer shots, and then, of course, tennis lessons on a broad basis. To encourage the health and safety of participants, as you can well imagine, we had to make changes in these activities that would include appropriate measures for social distancing. We had to also look at participation numbers and lower those participation numbers. Of course, do more disinfecting, which is just a safe thing to be doing. Those programs begin in July, which is now only about a week away. You know, the 4th of July is just a week from Saturday. And registration is now open at edinaparks.com, edinaparks.com, to be able to sign yourselves up or your kids up for these programs. So I would suggest that people would try to do that as soon as possible. With the limited offerings we have, we want to get you all registered and get the classes created. If you've been having financial difficulty during COVID-19, we've got some financial assistance possibilities for you. So if you're in need of financial assistance, don't be shy about asking for some help. We want to help your family. We want to help your kids and your family participate. And they may qualify for what we call a Connect card, which is issued through the Edina Community Foundation. So this is Jim Hovland. This is your Edina Mayor's Minute for Wednesday, June 24th, 2020. Stay healthy. Wear your mask as much as you can where it's appropriate. And we will talk to you on Friday.